And this is it, guys, after adding the pineapple. So we're going to turn off our flame now. Enjoy this dish, guys, which I prepared for you. Enjoy it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Welcome back to Elaine's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare for us some fried rice, and we're going to show you our ingredients. Here is our chicken. We have seasoning here, and these chicken I cut them in strips. We have our seasoning, our herbs here. This is scallion, and I have sweet pepper. I have 3 cloves of garlic, and I have 1.5 onion. I have some scrambled eggs, which I just scrambled. I have some sweet corn. I have a little sugar. I like to add sugar to my fried rice. And here is my mushroom sauce. This is my mushroom sauce. This is 1.5 tablespoons of mushroom sauce. This is my all-purpose seasoning. And this is my onion powder. And this is my cayenne pepper, which I'm going to add to the fried rice. And here's the mushroom sauce. I just pour out 1.5 tablespoons. And we have our cooking oil here, our vegetable oil. The main ingredients is our rice. And here is, so I'm going to get my hands washed. So I'm just going to add some all-purpose. I'm just going to sprinkle it on it. We're not going to add any salt because the mushroom sauce is already salt. And this is how I cut my chicken, in strips. I cut it in strips. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add a little oil so the season can stick to the chicken. I'm not going to put no browning on it. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Add a little more this. And I'm going to do some I'm going to slice up some garlic here. Guys, this is my way of preparing my fried rice. This is how I prepared my fried rice. So I'm now going to season. We are not adding any sauce, any browning to this, because when the mushroom sauce go on it, it will change the color. Add a little more all-purpose. We don't want it too salt. So I'm going to put my finger on it now and to taste. Okay. We don't want it too salt, guys, because we don't want it too salt. So I'm going to rest my chicken. This is a seasoned chicken. I don't add no black pepper to it. I don't add no black pepper. And it's perfect. Remember that the seasoning, they are salt, so we don't want it to salt. So while this is marinating for a while, I'm going to get all my seasoning chopped. And I chopped them very fine because we don't want them to, I chop them very fine because we don't want them to show up in our fried rice. That's the amount of oil. I think it's about a tablespoon in the pot. So I'm going to now pour my chicken into my heated oil. And you hear that sizzle? You guys, it has to be done on high flame. This is what the chicken looks like. And you have to put it on high flame. You know guys, it's chicken breast, and chicken breasts don't take a long time to cook. I could have diced them, but I didn't want them to dice. I could have cubed them, cut them in cubes, but I didn't want them to cube this time around. So we are going to allow our chicken to do its thing, and we are going to come back to cutting up of our seasoning, because we are going to get them very fine. You have to chop them very fine. You don't want the big chunk of scallion and onion and garlic and sweet pepper. To be seen in our fried rice. And the ginger. Oh, I smell the ginger. Oh guys, the chicken, I forget to mention that my chicken was washed in vinegar and lime. Forgot to tell you that. And you know, we Jamaicans don't prepare our chicken if we don't wash it. We always ensure that our meat are properly washed, and our vegetables. These vegetables were washed. I'm going to take up. These are the chopped veg, the chopped herbs. I chopped them this fine. And this is what the chicken is looking like. This is what our chicken is looking like, guys. I don't have any black pepper because I hardly use black pepper in this house. So I'm going to scoop up my seasoning now. I'm going to add them in my dish here. So guys, I'm scooping up my seasoning, or my green herbs. Consists of scallion, sweet pepper, garlic, onion, and ginger. This is what the chicken is looking like. I'm back, and this is what the chicken looks like. So now we are going to add our seasoning to our pot. And we are sauteing of this seasoning. Look at it guys. We're not adding no salt or anything like that because we are going to add some more all-purpose when the rice go in the pot. these seasoning I've already sauteed. We are just sauteing them. So now we are going to add our rice and the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to add our rice. This is the mushroom sauce. I'm adding everything now, dumping back everything. The chicken, because we want everybody to cooperate together now. We're going to take our eggs. We are going to take our corn right here. Because we are going to combine everything together now to make a complete dish. And guys, this is how I made my fried rice. I love to add corn. I love to add a little celery stick, but I don't have any. So look at it now, guys. See it? So you incorporate all the ingredients together. And this is going to need some more mushroom sauce. We don't want it too dark. Need some more sauce. Getting some more mushroom sauce. Some more mushroom sauce here. I'm going to add a little. Don't want it too dark. And we are going to stir now to incorporate all the ingredients to make this fried rice a complete dish. And we are going to taste. We're going to taste to see what is needed, because we have to add some of our all-purpose and our onion powder. So I'm going to stir up these now, and then I taste. I'm adding a little sugar. Guys, you see it? You don't see this big chunk of herbs, the big chunk of scallion and onion, whatever the green seasoning you're putting there. I don't see those big chunks because they are finely cut, chopped. And we don't want those big chunks in there. So I'm going to taste now, guys, to see. I'm going to taste. I'm tasting it now, guys, to see what it needs. Mm. Don't need anything else, you know. If you don't want the salt, it's perfect. I just add a little more sugar. Guys, you know, I have other ingredients that I wanted to add, but guess what? I don't forget everything about it. Guys, I'm showing it to you. Look how pretty it is. And this is Elaine's way of cooking her fried rice. There you can put whatever you want to put in yours. If you have shrimp, I don't have any shrimp, so this is my chicken fried rice. So this is finished, guys. This is finished. And this is a meal by itself. Because you have already have the protein in it. You have the chicken and you have the eggs. Yes. Generally when I serve this, when I do this, I don't have any chicken. I just add my corn and other ingredients and I just served it up with some sweet and sour chicken. Turn off the fire. This is what the complete dish looks like. You see the chicken? It's not white anymore. It takes up the color of the soya sauce. And I'm going to taste it again, since I had the sugar to ensure that everything is okay. Yes, guys, it's okay. My pineapple. I like to add pineapple to my fried rice. Here's it, guys. I'm going to add this to the fried rice, some pineapple. It won't take long. Notch the flame down a little. This is my fried rice, my way. This is how I always make it, guys. Homemade fried rice. This pineapple now is incorporated. I'm going to taste it. And this is it, guys, after adding the pineapple. So we're going to turn off our flame now. Cut it, guys, and we are going to plate. We're going to make the presentation now. We're going to do a presentation. So guys, yes, this is the finishing dish of my fried rice. You don't want to make it too fussy. But guys, here it is. Enjoy it. Enjoy this dish, guys, which I prepared for you. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, guys. This is a finishing dish. Thanks for watching this video today. Thanks for coming along with me. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below.